Today's topic is adjectives. Today we are going to study about adjectives. Actually, adjectives, they are used to describe or give more information about nouns and pronouns. Let me make you clear what are nouns and pronouns first. Nouns are the naming words, means name of anything in the world. And pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns. These words are called adjectives. Adjectives are called describing words also. So hope you all have understood that what are adjectives. When I say a smart girl, it means smart word is called adjectives. When I say a tall tower, it means tall is the quality of tower. Let us go through the kinds of adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Children, we are going to study about one by one each. First, let us have a look on adjective of quality. What it tells? It tells us what kind of a person or a thing. It focuses on quality of the noun. For example, here you can see a girl. She is Rosie. She is an intelligent girl. What is the quality of Rosie? She is an intelligent girl. Next you can see a flower. It is jasmine. Jasmine is a beautiful flower. So beautiful word is the adjective for jasmine. Next is adjective of quantity. You must be knowing about the quantity word. It focuses on quantity. It tells us how much of a thing is intended. Means how much a thing is, less or more, enough, sufficient, these words. For example here, the boy added enough sugar to the milk. Enough is the adjective word for quantity. Then give me some salt. Here you can see some. It is the adjective for salt. Next have a look on adjective of number. As you can see, number you must be knowing, children. You go through in maths about it. So adjective of number, it tells us how many persons or things there are or in what order any of them stands. It focuses on count or number. When I say many children can be seen in the park, here you can see in the picture many children. So many is the word for adjective of number. Next, the first boy from the left has won the prize. What is the adjective of number here? First, F-I-R-S-T, first is the word. Next, demonstrative adjective. What is the key word for demonstrative adjective here? Demo. You must be knowing the word demo. Demo means show. So, demonstrative adjectives, they are used to point out the persons or things are talked about or meant in the sentence. It demonstrates or shows us the particular person or thing. You can see the example here. These books are green. Some of the books you can see in the picture. These books. So these word is the demonstrative adjective. So through this word, these, T-H-E-S-E, these, you can see the books. Next example is, I don't like such people. Such is the word here for demonstrative adjective. Next is interrogative adjectives. Children, what is the key word here for interrogative? Interrogation. What is the meaning of interrogation? To find out, to search, to ask about something. So what it does? It is used to ask questions. Always keep in your mind that WH family words always start the question. WH family word starts the question in interrogative adjectives. Example, which house is yours? Whose pencil is this? The children, you can see very clearly these WH family words means which, how, what, who, whose. These words will be called the WH family words. So these words will be called the interrogative adjectives. Next is possessive adjective. What is the key word here? Possession. Possession means belonging. So what it shows? Possessive adjective shows possession or belonging. Words like my, your, his, her, its, our, your and their. These words show that something or someone belongs to a person or group of people. Possessive adjectives always placed before nouns. As you can see in the example, we throw our garbage in the dustbin. Our garbage. Our is the word here possessive. Next example is this bicycle is his. You can see in this picture that a boy is pointing out bicycle and he wants to tell that this bicycle belongs to another boy, his. So children, hope you all have understood it very clearly. Possessive noun, but possessive adjectives.